On this video, we're going to take a look at creating a package for compliance and onboarding. So currently I'm sitting in the Adapt Manager's profile, so you must have specific access or been given access to view this part of the system. If you don't have access to this and you need it or you require it, please speak to the super user at your company or the administrator, or in turn, if you contact client services, they'll be able to help you. So as you can see, we've got the compliance and onboarding tab from here. If you ever want to go and find a onboarding package in the system, you can tick from here, click on find, and that shows the packages. So really what you want to know is what exactly is a compliance or onboarding packages. And it simply is a collection of items stored in one place so that when you go and select that against a candidate, instead of having to manually select individual items, say 5, you can just click on one package and it will list those 5 items in one go. So you're grouping them together. And you could have something like an onboarding package. So it might be that every single temp candidate that comes in, you want them to have their onboarding package next to them, and they must always need a certain, say 3 items always ticked off. Or you might decide to build either job-specific packages, or you could do client-specific ones. So it might be to work at a specific client, they always hire certain types of roles. To have that role, you must have either an onboarding certificate from that client, so they've been and attended a client day there and they passed, or maybe they've needed a certificate, or it could be something else. So you'll get the idea. So you can build client, job, or general packages in the system. So to build a package, you go to compliance and onboarding, and here you have create package. You then need to name that package. So we could call it, for example, temp compliance, just for a general one. I don't have anything else I want to put in there particularly, so I'm going to put the same thing there. And active just means it is something you can then select in the front end. So now simply we've got our title up here. We can see it's an onboarded package here. And then we can now go in, and all we have to do in this section is add in the items that you've built that you want to be in this particular package. So if we go add item, you can either type in the name of the item here and click on find, or you can click on find. It will list all the items that you've got in your system, and then you can go and tick the ones that you want to be in this particular package. So then if you confirm, see, it will list all those items in that package. So when you get candidates that come into the system, you would then assign the package to that candidate. And like I say, you might have one package for all candidates or multiple different types depending on where they're going to work or their job. So you can see here you've got 6 items in there that we've just added in. They are all required items in there. And there you go. Your package is simply being built.